and for your untiring efforts to create a harmonious environment to our fellow citizens. Looking forward, this 2024, we will strengthen our collaboration in fighting crimes and to synchronize our strategies with the Maguindanao del Norte Police Force in the pursuit of a peaceful society. It is imperative that we work as a formidable force, pooling our resources and knowledge to combat criminal activities effectively. As ama ng inyong respective barangays or ina ng barangay, you play a significant role in the first line of defense against crime. Through your relentless commitment and deep-rooted connections within your communities, you possess invaluable insights into the challenges and potential solutions that need to be addressed. Your PNP acknowledges the vital partnership you bring to this fight. Together we can forge a cohesive front against criminal activities, fostering a sense of security and trust among our fellow residents. Our objectives are clear: to identify, prevent, and respond swiftly to any form of crime, ensuring the overall well-being of our constituents. By working in unison, sharing intelligence, and coordinating efforts, we can create a web of safety that envelops its barangay, leaving no room for criminal elements to flourish. Let us foster an environment where information flows seamlessly between us, the police and barangay chairmen and officials, ensuring a rapid response to emerging threats and an optimized use of resources by establishing a network approach. We can curtail the impact of criminal activities and protect our communities from harm. In closing, remember that your dedication inspires us all and reinforces our collective mission to build secure and peaceful Maguindanao del Norte. I encourage each and every one of you to communicate openly with the PNP, fostering a spirit of camaraderie and cooperation as we work together to a common goal. My dear Barangay Chairman, I hope that the peace for Bangsamoro is worth dying for. Lahat-lahat tayo, huwag nating hayaan na mawala pa sa atin ang kapayapaan na ito. Inirang kayo bilang pinuno ng inyong mga barangay, no? Patunayan natin na kayo ay may magagawa. Kasi napakaraming nag-aspire to lead your barangays, the different barangays of Maguindanao del Norte, kayo ang pinala. Congratulations. Palakpakan natin sila lahat. Sa aking matitikas na mga officers, my deputies, the Chief of Police, other officers, men and women of the PNP of Maguindanao del Norte, assuring you na gagawin namin ng lahat. Nakita niyo naman siguro yung slogan ng inyong provincial director na walang matutulog na pulis hanggat hindi natutulog ang mamayan. And now, comes my lecture na sana ay mapupunta sa tamang mapupunta ng lecture na ito, hindi mawawala, hindi masasayang. Inahasahan ko na kayo mismo. Actually, this is the first meeting, and imagine the impact of this meeting. I hope our friends from the media can give full coverage kung bakit ito naisipan ng inyong pulis sa Maguindanao del Norte, kasi napakalakas ng impact nito sa lahat. Nagsama-sama ang barangay captains, lahat ng barangay kapitan ng ating probinsya ay nagsama-sama para sa collaboration kung paano natin makombat itong criminal activities ng mga tao hindi marunong tumingin, kumilala, mag-alaga sa kanilang mga anak sa susunod na henerasyon. Kaya kayo ihinirang ng Allah Ta'ala dyan. Actually, it's not the people who chooses you. It's the Almighty Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala. Diba? Tumatagos yan sa puso. Kung hindi kayo binagyan ng kader ng Allah Ta'ala, ng kanyang basbas, niwala kayo sa akin, hindi kayo mananalo. Bigay ng Allah Ta'ala sa atin yan. Bigay ng mahal ng Diyos na sa atin yan, sa mga Christians. Okay? So, pag-igihan natin, sana may magagawa kayo. Sana, hindi masayang yung tiwala ng Allah Ta'ala, binaba niya sa maraming tao na kayo ay mahirang o mailuklok, may halal na barangay officials. Gawin yung nararapat. Kasi sayang ang pwesto na yan na maraming gusto. Maraming pang nagpapatayan dahil sa gustong makapagservisyo simplo. And I do not know, I hope ang sagwan natin ay isang direksyon lang. Huwag tayong sumagwan sa kanya-kanya tayong direksyon. Isang sagwan para sa kapayapaan. Okay? So again, congratulations sa lahat, and I will start my lecture. After my lecture, we'll be having our informal open forum na wherein pwede kayo magtanong, pakikinggan namin dito.